Marvel Avengers Gamerverse Mystery Box. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Papa Bear Resells. Today's video is going to be an unboxing, kind of like what I used to do when I first started a couple years ago. I haven't done an unboxing in a while. I'm switching it up a little because it's Christmas time and my what solds are kind of boring. It's just small things and some big stuff. And so I went to GameStop today and I went out and got this Gamerverse Marvel Avengers mystery box. It says it has a DLC inside. If you don't know what that is, it's downloaded content. It's made by Funko. It doesn't say what you're going to get in here. It's the point of it being a mystery box. With my experience with these, there are mystery boxes from GameStop, and you usually get like a Funko, socks, and a Pez. I stayed away from those. I've never seen a Gamerverse one before. I'm sure if you looked online, you could probably figure out what's going to come in it. But I didn't. I stayed away from that. And so I have no clue. I have absolutely no clue if I'm even going to get a Funko in here. I paid $24.99 for it. And to keep this reselling related, I'm going to totally just put all this stuff on eBay. Unless it's a really cool Funko. I don't like selling Funkos. It's a pain in my butt. But I like to collect them, so hopefully if it's something cool I might keep it. But if it's not, I'm totally going to sell it on eBay. Alright, so let's get into it. I'm going to open it up. Sealed, factory sealed. Alright, make this quick and simple. So open it up. I'll have you guys see first for me, so I'll open it this way. Open it. I don't know if there's something blocking it or what, but there we go. So you guys see it before me. Alright, let's see it. Oh, you don't see it before me. Alright. So the first thing that fell out is a sticker. Alright, this is a sticker of a sloth, which is pretty cool. It's a sticker of a sloth. What else fell out is this. It's redeem your code now. Oh, thank God I didn't show the code on camera. Jeez. This is probably the DLC. Alright, so let's see what's next. Like there's 3 more. It's a Funko keychain of Iron Man, but he's white. Oh. It's like a snow version or something. I'm gonna look up comps for this and show you how much it's worth. That's really cool. I've never seen that version of him. Neat. Stoked with that. So we got that. We got the sloth sticker and the DLC. I don't know what it's the DLC for. Oh, just to play Marvel Avengers game. It's a DLC from Marvel Avengers. Is this Avengers Day San Francisco pin? That's cool. Pins actually sell well for me. Pins and keychains. So that's. And then what's last is Abomination. Wow, that's really neat. The Abomination Funko. A GameStop exclusive. Well, yeah, only at GameStop, so it's exclusive. Curious to see how much that's worth. So I stopped the video real quick to kind of look this stuff up because I was kind of lost. I didn't know what it was worth. It's a mystery box. Here we go. This sells for about $6 the pin with free shipping. The DLC actually sells for in between. I saw one for $8, but I didn't look at it. I also saw one for $25, and it's just the Marvel Avengers DLC. I'm going to have to say I'm going to shoot for $15 for this. The Iron Man keychain white, $13, so with free shipping. So it's going to cost about $3 to ship. So it's another. The sloth thing, I think it was listed for like $2. So I don't know. It's kind of cool. I'll probably give it to my daughter. And the Abomination, $20 to $25 with free shipping. I might hang on to this and wait a little bit to sell it, but that's the collector in me. So anyway, if I were to sell it, I get 20, 30. I would definitely not do this as a reselling standpoint. This is definitely a collector type thing. You can make some money if you get the right stuff, like if this would have been a chase or something, which I have pulled out of other GameStop boxes. That could have increased the value. So, little holiday specials. Thanks for liking and subscribing. Have happy holidays. Be safe. See you later. Have a happy day. Holidays. Have a happy. Have a happy. Why can't I say that?